In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Google Flow. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to handle the first-time setup so you can start generating content without any hiccups. First, open your preferred web browser. Any modern browser will work, but make sure it's up to date and that your internet connection is stable. In the address bar, type Google Flow and press Enter to search. When the results load, look for the official Google link. It should be on a trusted Google domain, and you'll see the secure padlock icon in the address bar once you're on the right page. Avoid lookalike sites or third-party pages that aren't clearly from Google. Click the correct result to open the Google Flow page. Give it a moment to load fully. On the landing page, look for the button that says Create with Flow. It's usually prominent near the top or center of the screen. Go ahead and click that. This takes you into the experience where you can begin working with Flow. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. Select your account or enter your email and password, and complete any verification steps you've set up, such as two-step verification. Before entering any information, confirm you're on a secure Google sign-in page by checking the URL and the padlock icon. If you use a work or school account, be aware that access may depend on your organization's settings. If this is your first time using Flow, you may see a prompt to review and accept the Google Labs Terms of Service. Take a moment to skim the summary so you understand what you're agreeing to, then accept to proceed. You might also see brief notes about data use or experimental features, which is normal for labs projects. Once you've accepted the terms, you're ready to generate content. You'll typically see an input area where you can type prompts, along with example suggestions to help you get started. From here, you can begin creating, iterate on ideas, or explore any templates or guides offered within the interface. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Consider bookmarking the Flow page so you can return to it quickly next time. If the page doesn't load or buttons don't respond, refresh the browser, try an incognito window, or switch networks. And if you're on a managed device, check with your administrator if you run into access restrictions. That's it. You've successfully logged into Google Flow and you're all set to create.